Good evening to one and all present here. I am Dr. K. Kannan, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, Dr. SNS College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. Today we are discussing about understanding the database locking techniques. This for agenda, the introduction to locking techniques and row level locking, page level locking, table level locking, and intent lock, and predicate locking, and screw locking, and multi-granularity of locking, and optimistic locking, and hybrid locking strategies. And challenges with specialized locking and conclusion. And first of all, we are discuss about what is the introduction to locking techniques. The locking techniques are defined as how to control the access of database and resources, how to transaction of very important of database integrity and performance. So locking techniques are defined as the data consistency. It is a critical preventing of conflicts, ensuring data accurate and retrieval data, concurrent transaction, and control the mechanism, concurrency control mechanism. It is employed the manages simultaneously operation of effectively and preserving the reliability and user experience. Next one is what is a row level locking. The row level locking it is enables a locking the specific rows, and it enhances the access control without compromising the entire table accessibility. Only we have accessing in particular rows, that is called as row level locking. And benefits of high concurrency is reduce the contents contention of by allowing the concurrent access, and thereby the significantly improving the throughput and the transaction efficiency. And the resource utilization, it is a isolating of this lock and minimizing of a waiting time, that is called as resource utilization. Next one is what is the page level locking. And the page level locking is defined as the entire pages in memory, and it affecting the multiple rows and optimizing of resource management during transaction. Next one is what is the efficiency disk input and output of management. They reduce the number of locks we have needed, and enhancing the performance, and minimizing the disk input and output of this operations. Next one is comparison of low level locking, and where granular of mitigates overget the associate with the individual row locks and high load scenarios. Next one is table level locking, and table level locking is the entire table, the preventing the access for all the rows, and which can the implied of the concurrent transaction. And performance impact of performance, it is reducing the throughput, and only one transaction can operate while holding the lock over the table. And use cases and drawbacks, and the situation of requiring the absolute data consistency in the detrimental of the high concurrency environmental. Next one is the intent lock. In the intent lock, it is a signal a transaction in future intent of occur more specific lock and on resources, and type of intent locks, and share the intent exclusive lock. The facilitate of coordinated locking within the hierarchy resources and structure efficiently, and role of the deadlock prevention in the indicating the intention. This lock reduces the potential and the deadlock, and contribute the overall locking efficiency. Next one is what is a predicate locking. The predicate locking method, it is a range of row based on predicates, thereby preventing the paradigm of reads in transaction. And significance of for isolation, it is isolation by safeguarding against anomalies is caused by concurrent data access issues, and application in complex queries, and vital of the maintaining integrity in complex queries with multiple condition, the preserving the accurate of outcome during execution. And